Let's make some sourdough cinnamon rolls, soft, buttery, and totally worth the wait. Start by adding your warm milk, sugar, sourdough starter, egg and egg yolk, vanilla, salt, bread flour, and butter to your stand mixer. Knead it together until you've got a rough dough, and then let it rest for about 30 minutes. Perfect time to make a cup of tea and question all your life choices that led to a sourdough obsession. Now, knead again for a few minutes until the dough is silky and smooth, then cover and let it rise until it's about 30% bigger and feels soft to the touch. Once it's puffed up, we're ready to fill and shape. Mix together your melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. It should look like delicious sandy magic. Roll out your dough into a rectangle about 12 by 20 inches. It doesn't have to be exact, but you can see that I do use a ruler because I've found that the 12 by 20 inches gives me the exact shape that I need to get the perfect rolls. Spread that filling all over, leaving a small gap on one edge, and then roll it up into a tight log. Now, we're cutting it into 12 even pieces, or however many you may end up with when your first roll turns out massive. No judgment here. The biggest one's always the baker's treat anyway. Pop the rolls into a greased baking dish, tuck the seams in and cover them up for their second rise. They'll puff up slowly, so be patient. Sourdough likes to take its sweet time. When they're soft and pillowy, it's bake time. Pour a little cream over the top if you're feeling fancy, then bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until golden and irresistible. Let them cool for about half an hour. Yep, I know that's the hardest part. Then smother them with that glossy vanilla cream cheese frosting. And that's it. Perfect, cozy cinnamon rolls. A little sweet, a little tangy, and absolutely worth every minute.